Okay.
Yeah. Okay. I'm just tired. I'm just, you know, I'm a little bit pissed from this. Probably. I'm like, how the hell can we cover all this afternoon? So probably this is one, it's showing on my face probably. All right, but it has nothing to do with our class. بالعكس, I like it so much. And now let me go over what we've been doing. Yes. It will open in a moment. Meanwhile, I want each and everybody and every one of you to turn their cameras on. This is very important. I'm not willing to talk to an A, to a B, to a I'm not absent, and so on and so forth. I need to talk to people. I need to see people moving in my screen. Okay? And stop saying we get anxious and we get I don't know, self-aware. Look at those equations. What's this? Oh, 1 second. But these are real equations, no? If I double click, just a second. I was using equation editor, right? This is awful.
I think it's a glitch.
This is awful. This is awful. So what can we do? Take a screenshot every time, insert picture?
Hello, miss.
Hello. Look at this one. Hala, the good thing is you can still compare the final answer, but it takes a lot of energy to make it pretty and it ends up being messy. This is not great. But it never occurred to me before. Could it be that it needs updating? Anyway, office update. I don't know if I can update it because I don't have the password. All right.
I doubt that it's an update. I doubt that it's an update.
Yeah, definitely. But what happens if I double click? So the thing, I'll tell you what's happening. This is an equation and it's turning into not an equation. That's why now it's not an equation. Voila, it shows like an equation. If I do this, what happens? Nothing. Anyway, I'm gonna fix this later, but I just noticed that this is happening this week. It was not happening before. Last time I saw you, it was period 3 probably. You had this as homework, okay? I'm not gonna touch it at all. I'm gonna move to something else. It's also a classwork, but it is a bit conceptual, and I know a lot of students have difficulties with conceptual questions, so let's do this together. I think I'm on page 120, and let me check, 120, 120, so we're doing this. Okay, I'm gonna take a screenshot of number 12 alone. Please get ready with your notebooks. And I will get ready. I think we can do that. And then I can give you time to continue your homework. That's my plan for today. So the plan for today is finish up the classwork that is conceptual together. And in the remaining time, you continue those. Okay? So insert. Throw that.
Miss, sorry, I'm late.
Yeah, it's okay. Are you late for a reason? Yes.
What, miss?
Are you late for a reason?
I was eating.
Okay. All right, I want this one. Okay. Let me move it away and let me, all right. Okay, let me see. I'm expecting 13 students, 13 participants. Arvi and Sean are not here. So 12, Zoya not here, so 11. We have 11. Thank you so much. So again, turn your cameras on if you want everybody to be happy looking at you. I don't know, having you with us. I don't know what to say. All right, so I'm gonna ask Hamad. Hamad did not take any turn today.
Yeah, I'm here.
Okay, I know you're here. All right, let's try to do number 12.
Okay.
Can you read it, please?
Yeah. What would be the acceleration of the turtle that's moving with a constant velocity of 0.25 ms to the right?
Yeah, what do you think? I love those questions. They want to know the acceleration of a turtle that is moving with a constant velocity of 0.25 meter per second.
Yes. So we need to find the acceleration.
Yeah.
مش ضروري نحط the given and the
Yes, but remember this is a conceptual question, so it's not problem solving. Probably you can tell without calculating, and as you can see, you don't have a lot of given.
So we do miss A acceleration.
All right, you can say
equal.
Okay. If you want the equations of
delta velocity.
Yes. So you want to say that
Over
the
time?
acceleration is equal to the change in velocity divided by time. I like this. What is the change in velocity?
متهيألي the speed. مش zero.
What's the speed? You're very close. What's the change in velocity?
Zero.
Why is it 0?
0.25.
No, 0.25 is not the change in velocity. It's a velocity that is
zero
not changing.
because it's constant. It's not moving.
No, it is moving with a constant velocity.
But it's moving in the same direction. ما بتطلع ولا تنزل.
Okay, so what is the change in velocity?
ما في change.
It's 0. So what do you say? The acceleration is what? No acceleration. All right? When we have constant velocity, so note, I'm going to say constant velocity would mean no acceleration. Okay? Remember, acceleration is when you speed up, you slow down, and you change the direction of your motion. Constant velocity means you are not allowed to speed up, not allowed to slow down, and not allowed to change the direction of the motion. Thank you, Muhammad. You just got it. So it was somehow like a tricky question. Okay? This problem is huge. I want Matilda to help me with number 13. Actually, I'm glad Hatem joined us. Is Hatem with us?
Hatem, yeah, he's here.
Hatem is not here because he's not responding.
Oh no.
I'm here, man.
Okay, Hatem, we missed you the first session. Where were you? Hatem, we missed you the first session. Where were you? Please talk to me.
Miss, you're lagging so much for me.
Okay, I understand. We missed you. You were absent today. What happened?
Miss, you're lagging. I can't hear you.
Okay, I'm so sorry. All right, Matilda, number 13.
Okay, sketch the velocity time graphs for the following motions. A city bus that is moving with a constant velocity.
All right, as I can see, I need some space. Hatem is talking to us.
It makes you lagging so much.
Okay, if you guys believe I'm lagging as well, let me know. It could be from the recording. Also, it could be that probably I can do something about it. All right, so Matilda, 13A, I'm gonna create some space to draw a graph. All right, a city bus that is moving with a constant velocity. I'm gonna pick a pen. This is the VT graph, VT. Okay, how do you think I should draw the velocity time? Is it horizontal? Is it a straight line or is it a curve? And where? How? Part A is
Well, it's
constant velocity.
It's constant. It has to be straight at least.
Yeah, straight meaning this or meaning this?
I think I thought it was like diagonal, but now I'm thinking it's horizontal.
Yes,
because it doesn't say it increasing.
Yeah, it is. Yeah, the speed is not increasing. So this is the answer. Right, I'm gonna take it positive because definitely the bus is moving forward. It doesn't say backward. Thank you, Matilda. Fadi, part B.
Okay.
A wheelbarrow that is speeding up.
A wheelbarrow
Yeah.
speeding up at a uniform rate of acceleration while moving in a positive direction.
Okay. Speeding up, how do you draw it?
So it would be going upwards, the
Straight line or curve?
curve.
Why curve? It's going at a uniform rate.
I mean straight line. Oh my God.
Uniform rate. Okay. Thank you, Fadi.
Okay.
Elise, C. Elise.
Sorry, miss. I thought you said Fadi. That's why I didn't answer.
Yeah, Fadi already did. Now Elise. Am I lagging, Elise?
No, not for us.
Okay. See, a tiger that is speeding up at a uniform rate of acceleration while moving in the negative direction.
So the tiger is moving backwards. So speeding up. So it should go to the right first, and
so they said negative direction. Can I draw it in this quadrant?
Yes.
Okay. Should it be going down or up?
I'm not sure.
It's okay, you can do it wrong.
I think it's going down.
Yeah, it is going down because going down is speeding up. Now you can see V negative and the slope is negative. So yes, it is slowing down, speeding up. So back negative direction means you are under the time axis. So this is backwards. And since both are pointing in the same direction, you speed up. And they actually said speeding up. All right. Now for part D, I would want Talia to help me with part D. You have an iguana that is slowing down at a uniform rate of acceleration while moving in the
You called me?
Yes. Yeah, I called you. I want you to do part D.
Okay.
An iguana that is slowing down at a uniform rate of acceleration while moving in the positive direction. So where do I draw it? In the positive quadrant or negative quadrant? Is it up or is it positive? And is it up or down?
Up.
It is slowing down.
Oh, down.
Miss,
Yes.
may I be excused to the bathroom?
Yes, you may. I was gonna call you. Thank you for informing me.
If you want, I can do something now and then.
Yeah, let's do part D because you are next on my list. Actually, part E. Let me call it part E. Yes. So a camel that is slowing down at a uniform rate of acceleration while moving in the negative direction. Say it again.
I finished.
But you did it right. And now I want Samir to do part E. Okay, yes, you did it right. So Samir, let's read it again. A camel.
Right, a camel.
Yeah.
Sorry. A camel that is slowing down at uniform rate of acceleration while moving in the negative direction.
Okay, shall I draw it in the positive quadrant or negative quadrant?
Negative quadrant.
All right. Shall I draw it downward or upward?
Can you go up again?
So it says slowing down.
All right. Slowing down, so لتحت.
هيك؟
لا wait. Yeah, هيك.
Okay. This is speeding up. This is slowing down.
Oh, because it's negative, yeah.
Yeah, so you can think of the values, or you can simply think V is negative, but the slope is positive, so they're opposite, so it's slowing down. Okay? Awesome, thank you so much, everyone who did the work. I would want Hatem to help us, or Hatem already did a question. Hatem is lagging, that's why I don't want him to. Let's see, Hatem, can you hear me? Okay, let me see. I can talk to Amin and to Bijan and to Matthias. All right, Amin for number 14.
As traveling eastward, can its acceleration be westward? Explain your answer and use an example in your explanation.
Yes.
No.
So if you're traveling,
Because if you're traveling eastward, how would your acceleration
so this
be
is
westward?
west and this is east, okay? Which means this is the car. You're traveling eastward, meaning the velocity in this direction. And you're saying
Yes.
the acceleration cannot be in this direction? But didn't we discuss that acceleration and V can be opposite and can be pointing in the same direction? So yes, the acceleration and the velocity can be opposite. And opposite means slowing down, no?
Yeah, but oh yeah, that works.
Yeah, you can be traveling while slowing down because probably, so you cannot travel for a long time while slowing down. So probably this is what confused you. But you can easily, traveling means, so traveling was the tricky word. So I'm gonna say the car is moving forward. And for me, forward is actually eastward. Forward means east. So V is positive. Positive means east. If the acceleration, all right, I don't know if he can hear me actually. So I am recording the session. I will share the link. Okay, so I'm sorry for the interruption. Where is the file? So I was saying if the car is moving